doing good in the wrong way. The priest is here.
Share this video, guys. Share. I want to show you guys around. Share this video, guys. Share this video, people. Let's go. I'm sorry for the interruption. I'm sorry, guys. So we are back here. Let's go. Guys. Share this video. Good evening. And that's Izegbe Inye and Becky Bense. They are here live.
The prince.
Are we there? Izegbe Inye. Are we there?
Yeah.
Zuzu. Who they like I see Kebe to our
roll like ball, we go play you like ball.
Hey, never come.
Gary.
She there. Cause they're outside when she come. She's here.
This Kaleko! My son from a good home. Doing good things in your own way.
Losing yash.
Yeah?
Who they breathe?
You don't see anything to lose, you just show battle.
Who they Zuzu? Who they Zuzu? Who they Zuzu? You don't see her?
Who they clap it?
Who they Zuzu? Who they breathe? Now we they here.
Who they
live at the premiere. Everywhere don't choke. Everywhere don't choke. Everywhere don't choke.
You choke now.
Now we they here. Who they Zuzu?
Gary.
Who they breathe? Vivian, come and show people around. After showing everybody here, you now show them the movie.
Alito, but some from the good home doing good things in the wrong way. Come on down here, take that boy. Alito. The priest had to pay. Well, Kalito, but some from a good home doing good things in the wrong way. Prince. Kaleko. Yeah.
If we have the movie premiere.
Too much money when you say you get up. Cause I'm happy orphanage once. Cause I'm happy privileged once.
I hope we are all following the movie. An amazing start. Ikpia.
He said, anywhere. Oh, no one at me. Through that way, Oko Kegi Dolo with the big radio. And get back away. Nothing not to cow when you back when you cow. Very jenny cow. No. Go out of it. He said, Yally. Don't go here. Go out of it. He said, when my gal you did. Yeah. Oh, go my yard, go once in my yard. My baby, who are there? I am well. You are no. Okay, I didn't mind. Okay, Panagito, the Bonagi will all. I say, Yaro. Money, I want to give you when I was. If Papa, what would you come? Okay, people take care. You know, why are you here?
I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to see you guys. You look very healthy. I recognize that face. Thank you. Welcome to my palace. I'm sorry about the delay due to some circumstances, but she would like to bring things on board. But thank God I am here today, and I will make you proud. As regards the coronation, I will say, my friends, my big guns like myself, big businessmen, top dogs, dons like me, they will be here. It's going to be a great occasion. I assure you, every phone you get.
You dash me your jacket.
Great news.
Guys, share this video, guys, okay? They're going to continue. Share this video, guys.
Oh, talk about that. I see my sister is very authentic.
You can't tell me this. John made yours for
Oh, that's the doctor.
this one local noodles made.
Yes, now. Hey, my producer. Also my master. What's good?
I did that way.
Okay, we are going to okay.
But if I think I was that trouble. Poverty, I don't know that there was fast. I want to
See, you don't show this to huh? You don't show that this side. You show. Okay, now around the pass one. Guys, please share this video.
share.
I tell you straight length. Share this video, guys. No, I don't want that for you. Only my daddy wrong. I'm not done.
Oh, why not?
It's a dog.
Okay.
Okay. Now you only so can't give me money like that for us.
What was it? But you know, you book with your
No, you know, quick again. It was 2 days of my leaving. Hello, people. Hi, guys. Please share this video. Let it go viral. Let it go viral. I greet you, Ebony Gold. Good evening, guys. Good evening, my people. How you guys doing? You are okay? Are you guys fine? What's popping? What's up? You're right.
give that one to breast now.
Good evening, my people. Good evening, guys. We are here. 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 Who the Zuzu now? I'm fine, Teddy. Hi. Please, guys, share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Osas, share from my TV to page. You hear? Come on, bring your phone, bring your phone. Bring your phone. Two-Face. Two-Face. Talk to me. I bet bring some made a bring more drinking.
Ebony, come to me.
Go. Oh. Let me share it. Share from my TV to your page. Ruth. Share now.
Take notes.
You didn't want to have your back way. You go do home. You make back way.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sit in my yes. You have to sit.
Don't mess about. Okay?
My friends are here, guys.
You know the deal, yeah.
That's Baba Liz. Baba Kelvin. Ikpia. My friends are here, guys. So they will sit down, May I create space for them. Okay, sis. When you come this side.
Killer. That's a killer.
Babe, when I come like that.
You know it. Alright. Okay.
Thanks for coming, love.
Yes.
See,
How are you guys?
Now you see my friends from Germany.
You. You're my girl.
Good evening, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, that's Baba JJ Barry, all the way from, yes, all the way from the United Kingdom. Please sit that way. Stack off. Go ahead. Baby, you're right. Oh, my love. Love, see, UK. Thank you, my love. I don't know your name on Facebook. Are we friends already? Okay, love. That's beautiful. Jojo, baby. You know I love you, right? You know you're my love. Oh, at last. Thanks for coming, my love. Hopeless. 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 My friend from Germany, our friends. I invited them. What are they leak?
It's all about the reality movie, great production.
Okay, my phone dead there, babe. I don't want to have me the look out.
It's all about Hopeless. It's all about JJ Barry Conglomerate.
Prince and Topper. We still know what I'm going to so music. We want to go back. We are here about the verses. As my music back
Daddy, you want to record personal video? I go record those people for you. Just I'm a good daughter.
Director Moses, thank you very much. I think we'll have a pause here.
That's it. Beautiful movie.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to welcome one of South finest comedian, Mr. Porcupine. Please, a round of applause for him, please. A round of applause for him. Now the premiere properly.
So please, this film has been showing for the past 20-25 minutes.
Yes.
And it cannot be paused without all of you giving them a round of applause. Please, a round of applause for the production team. If you know how it feels to make a 1-minute film, you will know an hour film takes a whole lot. It has been an amazing production. And can somebody have a rewind? I don't know if we could get the guy right to Smoke Prince.
Okay, my name is Macy Ose there. So I'm here at the premiere of Ikbia Offense Entertainment.
Yeah, we lost a friend.
Poolside.
He was an actor, he was an event planner. He was amazing.
Let me show you.
I think it was it before or here? Yeah, this guy. There was a time he had a close-up. I don't know when was the close-up. If it was before Rambo came in.
Yeah, that's Ebony.
This Offense.
No, not big guy.
Offense.
Take it back to. I think it was before we saw his close-up. Hold it. Thank you. Here we have Smoke Prince. I think from where he is right now, people should be watching this. I think we should put our hands together for this young man. Please, round of applause.
Come on, let's celebrate the Legion.
Thank you. This guy was hardworking. I would like each and every one of us to be on our feet. Let's give him just a moment of silence. Thank you. This is Smoke Prince. A moment of silence, please. If you honor a human being, if you feel he is important, I would like us to be on our feet. Thank you.
Can I zoom? I don't want to zoom in. Okay. Okay, I'll zoom it. Rest in peace.
May the soul of the departed rest in peace in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Even when I say me everywhere is silent, that was they shall rest in peace. Lion kill you. Lion over Sabi, so that his spirit will say, he like me. Rubbish.
This guy
once again, I go by the name Porcupine, and I have my brother, my friend. We have MC Yanis, and we're here for the launch proper. Please, he needs to come. I think he is used to this environment. Where our co-MC. Before then, we'll talk about this show. Where is he? Please, what's his name? Smith. Lighter, right?
Lighter.
You need to be on stage.
Man, people that smoking bogo need you. Lighter.
Lighter.
Writer. Fighter. Normal fighter me.
That stupid name. Pronounce our
name is Victor Vita.
Okay, Victor Vita. Like fighter or vitamin.
Sorry, the guy does the best.
Which guy best?
But get out. Victor Vita.
Now by name, not the person that they call as well of it by as we begin of it as.
Thank you. Okay, right about now we're about going over to the
launch proper.
Okay, this is the real premiere. All this one I just the watch out for. May not be like say. Okay, right now, in case you don't know, we have one of the most talented acts we've got here in Benin City. We've got here with me right from the beginning of the show, MC Yanis, and his show is on Valentine's Day. Please, if you love this young man, we've been together since. Please, a round of applause for Yanis. No, not clap for them, I beg.
If you know who love me, pretend that.
Okay, thank you. At Recrex of Ititi Boundary Road, we'll be having Yanis with Yanis at Recrex Event Center. The only Valentine show on ground. Valentine's Day. Thank you. Visit talk on now.
You don't talk about it. Please, I beg. The tickets are available now. I'm the senior son. I'm the eldest son in my family, so we have this family house. This family house at stake.
Okay, you don't borrow money.
No.
You go hopeless na person.
Serious. Why to say offense some guy they talk more than that?
You idiot. Okay, right now we're back going over to the launch proper. Mr. Vital. Sorry, Vital in the building. Vital. Okay, I'll hand over the microphone to you.
Before we do the launch, please, we want to beg. This is not an avenue to show off. Then behind the camera, you disappear. Do you know why I say this? Because over the years, it gets a kind of matter you go launch now. So people say, hi, then they make the money. Are you well launched for your mind? They say they travel tomorrow. Now you don't call the fine because they from Italy, they go Europe, from Europe, go lead. So please, let's launch what is realistic. You understand? Over the years, so
yeah, please. If anybody holds on to the microphone and launch anything that's not realistic, we will say bad.
If not 10 naira you get now, just transfer.
So may not be like say you don't launch window because they call you hello, you got the avoid person call.
Because if you go launch now, hopefully will not say you don't make like 200 million, I will not tell Wesley say make them evacuate all guests.
You can't tell Wesley say you want to buy a hotel.
So please. Let's make it realistic, please.
Thank you. This guy has been amazing. He has put in a whole lot of work. If now abroad, now one person will just say, "Don't buy the movie." So it's just that Nigerians will see they try because when we see who they try, they like support who they try, and they have been amazing. We want to say we love you. Thank you. So Victor Vita, you take it from here. Yeah, we will join you up. But let him.
Said I want to see your dress.
Thank you.
So please, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Please, a round of applause for Yanis.
Okay, let me write
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So said I want to see your dress. You should stand up.
I'm coming up. 1 minute.
Now, on behalf of Hopeless Entertainment, JJ Barry.
So this is Ebony full dress.
There are a lot of people who want you guys to support us on this
project. Like
this. Yes. We want you to support us on this project. It's a big project. And this is 2022.
This is Ebony dress.
There's a lot in store.
Looking so sweet, sexy.
Coming from Hopeless Entertainment and JJ Barry Conglomerate. Please, a round of applause for them. A round of applause for them, please. There's a lot coming for 2022. And we can't wait for you guys to see it.
Yeah, she's looking beautiful.
Now, I have been mandated by these two powerhouses to call on the following persons. Yes, I have been humbly mandated to call on the following persons to step out
bring your face
so that they
here.
can properly launch this movie.
And that's famous Akaba.
It's a great one.
They're not the only ones launching, they just want to hear.
Yes.
All right.
But
Thank you. Here we have the names, right?
So we are here.
Okay.
She's here.
I'm going to be calling on the names. Sorry, next time let somebody with a good handwriting write it. DJ, play.
You are a very You don't threaten me. You don't threaten me, Taya. Hey. How are you, love?
We still need more names. Please. We need more names on this. Very important. One name.
Yeah. My love, oh yeah. My baby is here. All